here's everything that came in my grocery haul. I'm gonna go home and unpack it and show you what I got in my grocery haul. And show you everything that I picked up. It was super simple to get from Food Lion. A special thank you to Food Lion for sponsoring today's video. But in terms of the vegan keto items I did get, of course, I did get some organic baby spinach. Food Lion has one of the best prices for organic spinach, and I use it for so many different things because of the high magnesium in it. I got some tahini as well. This is going to be used to make a cauliflower hummus. It is going to taste absolutely fantastic and amazing. This one is simply just ground sesame seeds with the tahini in it. And then we're gonna make that recipe on an upcoming other video. Speaking of which, do make sure that you click follow for that other video. Okay, continuing along with our vegan, keto, and vegetarian keto items, I did get a whole bunch of organic broccoli. And we're gonna mix these up with some delicious olive oil, as well for our high fats, and some coconut oil. I got some organic sliced baby bella mushrooms. Of course, one of my other favorites that I do love is organic cucumber. I swear I get several of them every time I do a grocery shopping haul for the ketogenic diet. I did also get some of the organic celery hearts as well from Food Lion. And I love getting organic green cabbage or red cabbage. If you like to make a coleslaw, which we're gonna actually do with one of our organic recipes, it's a really great vegetarian and vegetarian keto recipe is with the cabbage, and I love having the beautiful color with the green or with the red, whichever one Food Lion happens to have. This is the one I think I'm most excited about. Look, they're amazing, beautiful artichokes that we're gonna go ahead and steam. If you have not had an artichoke, you're missing out. It is going to taste so good. It is one of my favorite vegan keto items to get. And then we also got in here an organic squash, an organic zucchini. We're gonna use that for our vegetarian keto and organic keto meal. Now, this was the deal of the day. I literally ended up getting 8 of these. The holy guacamoles, I got them in classic and I got them in spicy. Why did I get 8 of them? Because they were massively on sale. Usually $5, they were on sale for $2. And did you know you can freeze guacamole? You sure can. It's a great vegan keto item. And literally what I'm gonna do is keep 1 or 2. I'm gonna check the expiration dates on them, and then I'm gonna freeze the rest of them. How you freeze them is simply take them out of the containers, put them in a plastic bag, and then put them into a glass container. But it's an awesome way on the ketogenic diet to get high fats, and for $2 for holy guacamole, I love their texture, I love their taste. It's a great keto vegan item. The next one is going to be our cauliflower that we got. It's organic, and that's what I'm going to use to make my keto hummus. And we know for hummus, right, you need chickpeas, and chickpeas are not keto. So that's why we're going to use the organic cauliflower. Here's the other ones for the holy guacamole. Again, I got tons of them. That was a stock up price. That was the score of the day. Literally, that saved me right there at least $20. Here is one of the organic green beans that we did also get, but I'll use with some delicious olive oil as well. These are for my little boy. They're not keto technically, but they're organic Granny Smith apples. And then I did get, some people are gonna freak out, but I did get organic carrots. People are gonna say, carrots aren't keto. It's not, but it's a low carb item, and it's a great snack item because my little boy does not do keto, and so this way he can have it. So that was our organic, let me see if there's anything in here. Yeah, no, that was our complete vegan keto haul. I did also get, they had a bunch of laundry detergents on sale, so I did stock up on those too. The pickup from Food Lion was absolutely amazing. If you want to get their pickup or delivery, just make sure you go to the description link down below. I'm so excited. This was my vegan keto grocery haul from Food Lion. I'm gonna do the next one on vegan keto meal prep and vegetarian keto meal prep. How then you take this grocery haul and then make it into a really, really cool keto dinners, and keto lunches. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe, and the ordering link down below so you can do your own pickup or grocery delivery. See you next time. Bye, friends.